Welcome back. Well, my main intention to include this lecture is to guide you. So, as a big data beginner, what are the things you should know, what are the habits you should make, and what are the skills good to have before jumping into big data field, and how you should proceed. So, I'm going to answer all these questions. On habits part, you should attend as many meetups as you can. If you are not on Meetup, go and sign up today and join as many big data groups as you can near your area. Attend conferences on big data. The main benefits are that you'll find and meet people having same interests, and there you can have a good amount of knowledge sharing. Start following big data news on online channels like TechCrunch, Get Prismatic, VentureBeat, etc. You should also start reading different companies' engineering blogs who are using big data. Trust me, if you make these habits, this is gonna add values to your big data skill set. And in the long run, it will repay you in your big data career. Being a big data developer, you'll spend most of your time in data preparation. And since this course is intended to teach you about big data technologies and how you can process big data using Hadoop and its component, so having basic skills of relational data stores, ETL, BI, data warehouse would be a plus for you. Nowadays, in most of the companies, you'll find there is a shift in analytical platforms. There is a migration from traditional data stores to Hadoop to handle large volumes of data. And most of the analytical tasks are being performed using these big data tools and technology. So once you learn Hadoop and its component, you should start playing with them. Pick any small dataset you like and play with SDFAs, Hive and Pig. You should pick any use cases on big data and try to achieve them using Hive and Pig. I believe before playing with huge volumes of data, you should first set the data pipelines and see the data flow with sample datasets. So once you set all data pipelines, repeat the same task with huge volumes of data. Try to implement data processing techniques which you learned in this course. In some cases, you might need to iterate your task with different configurations in Hadoop to achieve optimal solution. So in that case, I would suggest you to always benchmark your iterations to find the best solution. That's all for this lecture.